wicked mixed to reveal cupcake kit from Betty Crocker. Let's see what we get. And I've got the mix has got a quarter cup of water in here, 3 tablespoons vegetable oil, and 3 eggs. Put that in there. With it comes with a topping mix and the cupcake mix itself. Then beat vigorously for about 2 minutes. Then we divide the batter evenly among these muffin cups. It should be a little bit less than this. It's about 3 tablespoons. Then, when everything's divvied up, bake at 350 for 13 to 18 minutes. Now we'll put this on like right in between with 15 minutes. And I will come back when our enchantingly emerald cupcakes are done. But first, so this kit comes with everything, including emerald glitter and cupcake cups. So try not to make that same mistake. So now that those are cool, we'll make the whipped topping, which is mix and a full cup of milk. And then mix. Set 30 seconds on low and 2 minutes on medium speed. And then scoop your topping into I've got a bag in this cup, which I'll be using as a piping bag. Then you will use that to decorate it. I think this through. You trim off the corner. And then start piping. And also immediately top with this edible glitter, so that it sticks. Okay, I've got it right there. Some of these turned out beautifully, some a little bit less so, but that's life. So it's up your alley. Catch Wicked November 22nd in theaters. Tickets available now. Check out BettyCrocker.com/wicked for more thrill-defying baking combinations.